Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the second part of constraints in Blender. So let's move on to show you complete tutorial about it. So add constraint, select your object, add constraint. So just I'm gonna be, for example, applying limit scaling like this on the different axes. So just for example, limit it on x-axis, on y-axis like this, on the z-axis as shown in our example. And the minimum also on this axis, also on this axis, shown in our example. When you try to scale it like this, scaling is constrained to these values on different axes as shown in our example. So let's delete, maintain volume, go over there, maintain volume. So let me to delete, shift A to add Susanna monkey like this. The object constraint as shown here. So let me show you how to maintain volume in constraints. And this feature constrains the dimensions of a side on a specified axis. So you can play around and set different values on different axes. Change it to uniform, strict, or whatever you want to do. So for the next features, I'm gonna be discussing the transformation constraint. So select your object, then go add object constraint, then go over transformation, click on it. It's gonna be showing the panel of transformation. The transformation constraint allows you to control the location, rotation, or scale of one object or part of an object by adjusting location, rotation, or scale of another object. Location, rotation, or scale values in either case can be set to operate within a specific range. The object to be controlled is termed the source and has the constraint applied to it, while the other object is termed the target object. We have over here this box. To demonstrate, have a cube object and the UV sphere. I have a Susanna monkey in our example in 3D viewport editor in top orthographic view. Like this. The cube will be the source object controlled by the target, which is Susanna monkey. To apply constraint, select the source cube. Click add a constraint in the properties editor, constraints buttons, go over there. Then and select transformation from this list. And the transform heading, select target sphere. Select target is Susanna monkey in our example, or sphere, or any object you want to apply constraint to. In our case, the source object is the cube and the target object is the Susanna monkey. We have also map from and map to. settings over there. So drag the left mouse button, drag the mouse wheel down. You can play around with these values and set the X minimum and maximum and for each axis like this. If you want to set it like this, all settings, as you can see in our example, these values, and constraining your object that gonna be following the motion of cube and constrained to different axes set to these values as shown here in our panel over there. You have also rotation and map to rotation, and if you want also scaling. So when we try to grab and move this move a Susanna monkey, grab it and move it, is gonna be showing the motion of the cube like this. Then when you move the Susanna monkey, grab it, move it like this. This is gonna be constraining the motion of the cube. When you grab the Susanna monkey, you can see the motion of this, the movement of the cube is gonna be following and track it to Susanna monkey like this. Thanks for watching, see you in next tutorial.